Hey there! For over 6 years, SEO Ranking has been the #1 SEO solution for many businesses across the globe, be they large or small. During this period, we developed a cloud-based service that houses all the SEO tools that business owners, SEO experts, and digital marketers need to take care of virtually any search engine optimization task. This year, we decided to give our platform a complete makeover. But don't worry, all the tools and features you love are still there, only now they are much faster, more user-friendly, and are way more efficient. So, we want to take this opportunity to say that we are thrilled to invite you to the new and exciting era of SEO Ranking. Let me walk you through all the main updates we made to the platform, and we hope you'll enjoy using them as much as we enjoyed making them for you. The first huge change that you just can't miss in the new interface is the revamped design. It has become more modern, and we have placed a greater emphasis on the most important data you need in terms of promoting your website. Navigating the platform has become a whole lot simpler. Now the most important data on each project can be quickly accessed via the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you can see your site's ranking positions, its analytics and traffic data, competitors, access the marketing plan, check the website audit report, analyze backlinks, and go to the social media management module. All of the tools that aren't linked to any project can be found in the top navigation bar. All of your projects now load up at lightning speed, which is about 20 times faster if we're getting technical. Just to give you a comparison, it used to take a couple of minutes to load up data if you had hundreds of projects, and now it shouldn't take longer than a few seconds. Data display has become adaptive. You can forget about endlessly scrolling the screen to compare metrics and see the full picture of your projects. Now, the entire width of the screen is used to display all the necessary data. Let's go through the main sections of our platform to see what else has changed besides the loading speed, new design, and navigation. Alright, let's take a look at the main dashboard. Here you can find summary data on all of your projects and quickly check up on all of their changes. You can easily customize the dashboard however you want by moving sections around and personalizing the interface. Another important change is the updated charts. By default, it displays the average ranking position of your projects, but you can also switch to see the traffic forecast, search visibility, and the percentage of your keywords that are ranking among the top 10 search results. Every chart is now more informative and understandable, enabling you to quickly analyze the data you need. We made the design of the new version of SEO Ranking more adaptive. This allows you to display the maximum number of metrics on a single screen and get a quick understanding of your website's performance and SEO dynamics. The Rankings module can be accessed either via the main project menu or the navigation bar on the left-hand side. Here you can see the same useful data that you're used to seeing, but now the entire working area of the screen is used to make it easier for you to read all the data you need and analyze how each metric affects the other. Each section loads up very quickly, which is especially noticeable for projects that track thousands of keywords. You can select any date range and ranking position filter and get new ranking data just as fast. On top of that, we have added a preview of the main charts so that you can immediately see the big picture of your project and make timely changes. Like with the dashboard, you can also fully customize the interface of the Rankings module. Just click on the settings icon and go to ranking settings. With the help of this function, you can choose whether you want to display charts on this page or not, choose the number of keywords to be displayed, decide how you want links, dates, the main chart, and the rankings table to be displayed, as well as adjust the table settings and the display dates of ranking position checks. The updated rankings table now holds more data on one page. This means that analyzing data over a long period of time is now much easier. Moreover, you can easily switch the table to another search engine and analyze the same set of keywords. Another completely revamped section of SEO Ranking is Notes. Basically, this is a new feature that can be accessed from any section of the Rankings module. Many of our users have asked to make it possible to add notes directly to the charts, and we listened. Any event that's significant in terms of SEO, such as getting a backlink from a respected website or global changes made to a website, can now be added to your site's chronology record. That way, you and your teammates can quickly understand what impacted rankings. On the whole, SEO Ranking's ranking analysis has become faster, more convenient, and personalized. Now, let's move on to the analytics and traffic section of the platform. Here you can connect Google Search Console and Google Analytics to analyze even more data on one screen without having to constantly switch back and forth between tabs and tools. What immediately catches your eye here is the updated design, which has made it much more convenient to analyze project metrics because, once again, they are now displayed on a single screen. On top of this, we've added the opportunity to analyze image and video search, view data not only on keywords, but also on pages, countries, user devices, dates, and search types. Plus, you can now compare any data for any selected period. Next up is SEO PPC competitor research. It enables you to analyze your organic and paid search competitors. It is rightfully considered to be an all-time user-favorite tool, so we just couldn't leave it untouched. We have made the keyword research module of the tool a tool of its own. Now you can access two different tools, competitor research and keyword research, in a single click right from the top horizontal navigation bar. The tool's new design allowed us to make it customizable and a part of the main platform. Now, when you use the white label feature to offer our services under your own brand name, it won't look like a completely different tool. As for the data loading speed, we've optimized all data on organic and paid traffic, which is now available for analysis within seconds. As I mentioned earlier, we have made the keyword research section of the SEO PPC competitor research tool a separate tool, and we can now confidently say that you can analyze keywords and expand your site's semantic core much faster and more conveniently. So let's take a look at what's new. When doing keyword research, you can straight away see each keyword's search volume, popularity, understand how easy it will be to target it in your promotional search campaigns, plus get keyword ideas for your semantic core right there on the spot. Just check out detailed reports on similar, related, and low volume keywords. We've added the keyword difficulty score and got rid of the keyword efficiency index. Why is this good news? Because unlike the keyword efficiency index, the keyword difficulty score will help assess how promising a keyword is and how difficult it will be to get a page ranking among the top 10 search results by targeting this specific keyword. With the help of this metric, you can select keywords that drive traffic and easily get high rankings. Moreover, it wasn't always easy for inexperienced SEOs to fully understand the keyword efficiency index, so we decided to replace it with a new metric that will help you quickly understand the process and not get distracted by complex formulas. You're bound to notice the lightning fast data loading speed. You can now get information on keywords in organic and paid search much faster. The last stop is the backlink checker tool. Like many of the other changes brought by the update, we have moved the backlink checker tool to the top horizontal navigation bar to make it more accessible. Just enter a website or a URL, click search, and you will get a list that includes every found backlink and referring domain. Plus, you can get a detailed report. Once all the data loads up, you will get a complete list of backlinks of the analyzed site, along with extensive data on each found backlink. In terms of the new changes, the adaptive design is bound to immediately catch your attention. In addition, we've conveniently placed all the necessary data and detailed metrics, making them accessible in a single click. This means that you can click on any parameter and immediately get even more information that will help you evaluate the backlink profile of the analyzed site. On the left-hand side, you can access general data on the analyzed domain. And if you click on a specific domain in the general report, you will be able to access its overview page, get detailed information on referring domains, backlinks, anchors, as well as all pages and referring IP addresses. That's it for the new and improved SEO ranking. Thank you for walking through all of the core updates with me. If you have any questions about the platform or its updated design, don't hesitate to contact us via live chat on our website. We are always here to help you figure things out because your success is our success. Welcome to a new era of SEO with SEO ranking.